Hi guys, I'd like to welcome you to my channel. This is TurboNet Config. In today's video, we're going to uh, do a configuration on the Sophos XG device. For the purposes of today's video, today we are going to set up an interface and allow internet through it. So if you're ready, let's go. I'd like to take a minute to um, implore you to subscribe to my channel as we keep bringing you good videos to help you if you are a newbie setting up your first firewall. We've got you. Let's go. So uh, when you log into your firewall, um, you first go to network because that's where all your interfaces are. Okay, so you go to interfaces and the interfaces tab. Now you identify the port you want to use. Okay, so for the purposes of this video, I'm choosing port 4. Okay, so port 4, it's open now. You first have to choose the network zone. So in here we choose LAN. Okay, so we give it a nice name. The name which gives you a meaning to what exactly we're doing. Okay, so we say financing. Okay, and we want users in finance to have a particular IP. Okay, so go ahead, 192.168.20.1. Okay, so users in finance will have a 20.0 network. Okay, so here we want to make sure by giving out all the 254 address. Okay, yes. So from here, there's not much to be done. You go ahead and then you save. So you click on save and then you update the interfaces. So for what we've done now is actually to set the interface and open it up for the services we want to run. Okay, so let's wait for it to sync in. Perfect. So so now the next step is to create a host. Okay, so if you create a host, it makes it easy for you to create a rule. It makes creating the rule easy. It makes the firewall doesn't even have to think much because you have already put the host together. Okay, so from here we can say we want to create an IP host. Okay, so we go ahead and say add. So we are creating an IP host. Okay, you can say an IP host, network, or an IP range, or a list. Okay, so for simplicity's sake and for the purposes of this video, we choose an IP range. Okay, so we say for IP range, we say finance. Okay, so we said in the earlier on, we said we want finance to be in 192.168.20.1, but we want it to go all the way. Okay, so we specify the range. So 192.168.20.1. go to platform. Okay, so at this point we created our range. We go ahead and then we save. Okay, so the next step now is to enable the DHCP service. Okay, so from that we go over to the networks tab. By the way, if you like the content you are seeing so far, you can go ahead and subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video, as it goes a long way to help us build this channel. Okay, so we go over to the DHCP tab. Now we go and then we say add. So we say finance DHCP. So now the next step is to select the interface. Okay, so I'm going ahead. So the interface is there for me to use. Okay, so from here, usually I like to start from .10, 20.10 to all the way to 254. So 1 and 2, 1, 6, 8, dot 20, dot 10, 2, 1 and 2, dot 16, dot 20, dot 2, dot 4. So the DHCP start from 10 to 254. Okay. So this is the subnet mask. So at this point, there's not much to use. So from here, we can click use devices DNS. Okay. All right. So we'll go ahead and save. So this opens up the port and allows users to receive IP addresses via DHCP. So having done that, we're going over to the rules and policies, because we want users in finance to access the internet. Okay, so we go over to the top here. We say add a new firewall rule, and then we give it a nice name. So access, okay, access for finance. Okay, so the rule here is to accept, because we want to accept traffic from the internet to the finance team. Okay, so the firewall works like based on the position or the priority. So this will allow us to put this on top. Okay, and I don't want it to be part of an automatic rule, so we can say none for now. So the rule stays on its own. So the firewall works this way: source to destination. So now we're going to work on the source. So we are saying the source zone is LAN. So at this side you can choose any, but we have already specified the host group. Okay, so I click here and I just can type saying finance. Consider finance. Okay, I think spelling is wrong. Finance. Finance. Alright, you can go ahead and save from here. Yes, so it's showing now. You go ahead and select it. So now we work on the source zone. Okay, so we're going to the destination. So we set users from the LAN who belong to finance can access internet. Okay, so we're going to select one from here. So apply, and then at this point we are saying you can go anywhere you want for now. And then you scroll down and save the rule. So at this point the rule is preparing itself. I want to switch over to the port we created, which is the port. Okay, so we're going to switch over. So at this point now, you see we can't go anywhere. So if we go, we can't go anywhere. So, guys, welcome once again. The cable has been moved to port 4. Okay, so to verify the the rule we just created, we're going to go ahead and go into rules and policies. Yeah, so clearly you can see there's already activity on the rule, and we can go ahead and check here. You can already see it. It's connected to the internet. Now we can go over here and go to Yahoo. Okay, and you see um, the rule is up and it's running. Okay, so if you have any questions or any comments, you can put it in the comment section. But I would like to thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you guys. Cheers. See you in another video. Bye.